Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to grow chayote at home. It's super simple, yet surprisingly effective. With just a recycled paint bucket, some soil, and a bit of organic fertilizer, you can easily create a lush chayote vine full of fruit, vibrant and full of life. Watch this video till the end as I guide you through every step, from sprouting and planting to building the trellis, caring, and harvesting. Watch this video till the end as I guide you step by step from sprouting, planting, and building the trellis to caring and harvesting. By the end of this video, you'll see just how easy and fun it is to grow chayote right at home. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together. To help the seeds germinate faster, I use black soil for propagation because it's rich in nutrients and retains moisture well. This type of soil provides the seeds with enough nutrients and moisture, allowing them to sprout quickly, evenly, and grow stronger. I place the chayote fruit into the pot, cover it with a layer of black soil, and gently spray water on top to keep the soil moist. This method helps the chayote sprout faster, develop stronger roots, and grow into a healthy young plant. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I use a hole punch tool to make holes around the paint bucket, allowing better airflow and drainage. This helps prevent waterlogging, keeps the soil healthy, and allows the roots to grow stronger and faster. I use a 1.5-liter plastic bottle, cut off the top, and punch small holes around the sides to put kitchen waste inside. This allows the waste to decompose faster, creating natural, organic fertilizer that nourishes the plants while being eco-friendly. Next, I take a 1.5-liter water bottle and attach a small electrical wire to the bottle's opening to create an automatic watering system. This allows the water to slowly drip into the soil, keeping it evenly moist so the plant stays hydrated without becoming waterlogged, a simple and time-saving method. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. To make the soil richer and more fertile for planting, I mix earthworm compost into it. Worm compost is full of beneficial microorganisms and natural minerals that help the plant grow stronger, develop healthy roots, and stay lush and green. After a few days of propagation, the chayote has sprouted and grown beautifully. I transplant it into the paint bucket that I've already filled with soil, giving the plant more space for root growth and better nutrient absorption. After planting the seedlings, I put kitchen waste into a bottle to make organic compost. Kitchen scraps such as vegetable peels, fruit skins, or leftover rice decompose naturally, creating rich nutrients that help the plants grow stronger and greener every day. Next, I pour water into the bottle to keep the plant hydrated. With the slow drip system, the water seeps gradually into the soil, keeping the roots moist and allowing the plant to absorb nutrients evenly and grow stronger. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now that the plant has taken root and is growing well, I gently loosen the top layer of soil to keep it aerated. This helps the roots breathe better, absorb nutrients and water more efficiently, allowing the plant to grow faster and stronger every day. Now I continue adding kitchen waste into the bottle to make organic compost. This method provides more natural nutrients for the plant while effectively recycling waste, improving soil structure, and helping the plant grow stronger every day. To keep the plant consistently moist, I continue adding water into the bottle. With the slow drip system, the water seeps gradually into the soil, keeping the roots hydrated, preventing dryness, and helping the plant grow steadily and strong. When the plant starts growing new leaves, it's also the time stem borers and leaf-eating insects begin to appear. So, I chop garlic into small pieces, mix it with water, and spray it on the plant to prevent pests. Garlic has natural antibacterial properties that repel insects, kill fungi, and protect the plant's health without using harmful chemicals. At this stage, the plant is growing vigorously and starting to climb, so I use bamboo sticks to build a trellis, giving it more space to grow. The trellis helps the plant climb steadily, get more sunlight and airflow, allowing it to grow faster and produce more fruit. Your one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I continue adding kitchen waste into the bottle to make organic compost. This method adds natural nutrients to the soil, improves its texture, and helps the plant grow greener, healthier, and more productive. I pour water into the bottle to maintain moisture for the plant. With the slow drip system, the water gradually seeps into the soil, keeping the roots hydrated, healthy, and able to absorb nutrients evenly. I continue to gently loosen the top layer of soil to keep it airy and well aerated. This helps the roots breathe easily, absorb water and nutrients more effectively, allowing the plant to grow faster, stronger, and healthier each day. I add more soil around the base of the plant to keep it stable and help retain moisture for the roots. Adding soil also covers and protects the young roots, allowing them to grow stronger and absorb nutrients more efficiently, keeping the plant healthy and vibrant. This is also the stage when pests and fungi spread quickly, so I mix molasses with water and spray it on the plant. Molasses is rich in minerals and beneficial microbes that boost the plant's immunity, prevent pests and diseases, and help it grow healthier and greener. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. It's amazing! With my planting and care methods, I now have a lush chayote vine full of fruit, vibrant, and full of life. Seeing all the hanging fruits makes me truly happy. Every bit of effort I put into caring for them has been totally worth it. Now it's time to harvest the results of all my hard work over the past days. Seeing the big, lush, and plentiful chayote fruits makes me truly happy. This is the perfect reward for all the care and love I've put into my little garden. Every comment, every subscribe is a small seed of hope. Thank you.